Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your insurance policy with Geico. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your insurance policy with Geico, begin by gathering your policy information. Locate your Geico insurance policy number and the associated personal details. Next, decide on the method you wish to use for cancellation. You can choose to cancel online, over the phone, or by mailing a written request. If you prefer to cancel online, go to the Geico website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the policy section. Look for the option to cancel your policy and follow the prompts provided. If you opt to cancel by phone, call Geico's customer service at 1-800-861-8380. When you reach a representative, clearly state your intention to cancel your policy. Have your policy number ready for verification during this call. If you decide to cancel via mail, write a formal cancellation request. Include your name, policy number, and the effective date you wish the cancellation to take place. Mail your request to Geico's customer service address. Be sure to keep a copy of your cancellation request for your records. After submitting your cancellation, monitor your email or postal mail for a confirmation. This confirmation is crucial for ensuring your policy has been officially canceled. If you do not receive confirmation within a reasonable time, follow up with Geico. It's also wise to verify that there are no outstanding payments on your account. Once you have confirmed the cancellation, consider reviewing alternative coverage options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.